Hello and welcome back to ElevenLabs series. And in today's video, let's see how do we create dubbing of one video in a language to other languages using ElevenLabs. This is pretty interesting because the video that I create in English can now be dubbed in Hindi, Kannada, or any other languages like French, German, and so on and so forth. So let's see how do we do that. So we have seen studio, we have seen audiobooks. Now we'll go to dubbing. Flows they have added very recently, probably yesterday or so. We have still not explored. We will do that immediately and create a video on that. So let's go to dubbing, and on the right top we can see create a dub. Okay, click on that, and source language, whatever video we are going to upload, right, or give the link to. So the language of that, it can automatically detect, or you can also mention which one is it. For the example that we're going to check out, it will be English. And you can also select languages to which you want to dub it to, right? And this can be multiple. For example, I can select Hindi, I can select French, Japanese, and so on and so forth, right? So we can select multiple languages there. Audio or video source, you can either upload it directly here, you can give a YouTube link, you can give TikTok link, other URLs, or you can also do manual. So manual is very interesting because we can upload the complete video file. We can upload CSV file which will have speaker, start time, end time, transcription, translation, and so on and so forth. We can add a foreground audio file, okay, speakers only. And we can also add background audio file like music, effects, ambient noise, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now over here, if we add these things, okay, or if we use manual option, then this will be creating a dubbing project. Just like we saw audio project or video project, this will be a dubbing project where we will have the option of adding some sound effects, background music, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now let's go to upload option. Here is where we can upload the file. And then we have a couple of options like create dubbing project, which is equivalent to this particular option. Just that we don't have to upload all of those files separately. But when we create a project, we will be able to add the music or background effects and so on and so forth after we create the project. Okay, just like we have seen in video project and audio project. One of the things that we can see here, so for example, if I upload the file, let's say I am going to upload a file, and let's say this one. This is already in Hindi, by the way, but I'll show you an example. So it has taken this file and it is 20 seconds, right? And you can see here, this dub will cost approximately 1032 credits. Okay. Now, if I create this as a dubbing project, then it will consume 3439 credits, right? Now, we have an option of reduce character usage by 33%. Okay. So it is 1032 credits right now. If I use this option, then it will be 688 credits. This particular option will add ElevenLabs watermark to the video. Okay. So if you're fine with that, then you could go ahead with this. Right now, if I use dubbing project, then this will turn into 50%. So initially this was 3439 credits. Now if we use this option, which is reduced by 50%, then it will be 1719 credits. Now number of speakers, it can either detect, or you can also mention this as 1, right? Time range to dub 0 to 20 if you want it for the entire video, or if you want it specifically, you can also change that. Now here is an interesting option. For example, disable voice clone, right? So if you use this, then it will randomly add any audio in the language that we have chosen. But if we not disable this, then it will actually clone our accent, our voice, and then the dubbed voice will also come in similar fashion. I'll show you an example of each of this, which we have already done. Okay, just so that you understand. So here are a few things that we've already dubbed. So let me open it up, and you can see here source language was English, target language is Hindi, source was upload, number of speaker is 1, video resolution is highest, watermark is no, so we didn't use that reduce option. Dubbed range is start to end, credits used is 1030, dubbing ID is this one. So if I click on play, you will see this particular video. Let this load completely and then I'll play it. So this particular file is already available. It's taking some time to render this. So I will show you the downloaded file. So this is the original file.
Hey everyone, hello. We have started with challenges for frontline numbers, and the first challenge is already on. If you have not registered, register for. The winner of this challenge is going to get a project from us and multiple other clients. So if you have not registered, please go ahead, check the details, and register now.
Okay, so this was the original video, and this is the dubbed one.
नमस्ते सभी को। हमने अपने समुदाय के लिए चुनौतियां शुरू की हैं और पहली चुनौती जारी है। अगर आपने रजिस्टर नहीं किया है तो अभी करें। इस चुनौती के विजेता को हमसे और कई अन्य क्लाइंट्स से प्रोजेक्ट मिलेगा। तो अगर आपने रजिस्टर नहीं किया है तो विवरण देखें और अभी रजिस्टर करें।
Okay, so I'm not so fluent with Hindi, but there you can see that it is actually dubbed in my own voice, right? So that's the difference between that one and probably this one, which we used. Yeah, credits used is 686. So this we have used less credits, and this one it is 686, where we allowed it to add the ElevenLabs watermark.
सभी को नमस्ते। हमने अपने कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स के लिए चुनौती
And also we actually checked that box, right, which is basically we were actually over here, right? So we have checked this box, which means disable voice cloning. So some other voice has been added. You can check it out. The tone is very different.
सभी को नमस्ते। हमने अपने कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स के लिए चुनौतियां
Right, so that's the difference between if you enable this or disable it. So let me upload the file, which is basically this one, not dubbed, and then create dubbing project, right? And then reduce character usage by 50%. I don't mind that. Okay, this will add an ElevenLabs watermark to the video. That's completely fine. Number of speakers I'll say as 1. This one will be English, and I want to dub this to Hindi. Now keep in mind, if you are creating it as a project and if you select multiple languages, then you will get a warning like when creating a dubbing project, choose one target language and add more within the editor. This ensures your edits are synced across all languages, right? So I will be removing this, keeping only Hindi, and if we need more languages, we will add it at a later stage, right? So I'll not disable voice cloning, so it sounds like me even if it is different languages. So I'll click on create dub. So while this is getting done, I'll take you to one of the projects that we had already created. So you can see here, this is what it is. So let me go to this one. It's the same thing basically, okay? It is like video or audio project. The UI, okay, is slightly different. Though you can add the background, voice, foreground, you can add multiple speakers, right, and so on and so forth. But it looks a bit different, right? So let me play this.
Hey everyone, hello. We have started with the challenges for our community members, and the first challenge is already on. If you have not registered, register for it.
So here the team has played out with the volume and so on and so forth, and speaker 1, speaker 2. Okay, so you can also see Hindi, which original was English. And let me go to Hindi now, and let me play this. Let's get this back over here.
हाय सब लोग, नमस्ते। हमने हमारे समुदाय के सदस्यों के लिए चुनौतियां शुरू कर दी हैं और वो पहली चुनौती पहले से ही चालू है। यदि आपने पंजीकृत ही बहुत अच्छा है। विजेताओं को क्या मिलेगा? पंजीकृत नहीं है तो इसके लिए पंजीकरण करें। इस चुनौती के
So our team has played around with a few things which I'll be explaining very soon. We also have Spanish, by the way, right?
proyecto de nosotros y de múltiples otros clientes. Así que si no te has registrado, por favor, revisa los detalles, regístrate ahora.
And we also have French.
Ainsi, si vous ne vous êtes pas inscrit, inscrivez-vous. Le gagnant de ce défi va obtenir un projet de notre part et de plusieurs autres guides. Alors,
Okay, let's quickly check if this is ready. Yeah, looks like. No, not yet. Almost done since a few seconds. Okay, one of the other thing that we can do in ElevenLabs dubbing is, let me take you back to this particular project, which is this one, right? We had released one video after we finished 400 days, and let me play that in YouTube. By the way, those of you who have still not subscribe, because we are coming up with one video every single day, and a lot of things are being covered. Okay, yeah, this one.
കോഡിലല്ല ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ പോയതാണ് 400 ദിവസം മുമ്പ് ഇതിൽ
Okay, so let me go to settings, and let me go to audio track, and let's go to English. This is the original one.
Not to chase trends to understand AI. By building videos. Day one wasn't polished. No code.
So this was the original video. Okay, what we did is we uploaded that to ElevenLabs. Okay, source language is English, target language is Hindi. Okay, source is upload, number of speakers is 0. I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe because it was not me speaking, it was some music in the background. Right, video resolution is highest, watermark is yes, tabbed range is start to end, credits used 1998 because this is 1 minute long video, and dubbing ID and so on and so forth. Right, so if I go to this one, and you see here I don't have option of edit because this was not created as a project. Okay, while this was created as a project, so I can go ahead and edit this further. I can add some background music, some sound effects, and so on and so forth. Here I cannot, right? So let me go to the downloaded file, and I think this is the one. This is the original file. So what we did here is we uploaded this to ElevenLabs and got it dubbed in Hindi, and so this is the file that we got. Let me just play it for you.
ये आपके लिए 400 दिन पहले यह शो ट्रेंड से पीछे नहीं बल्कि AI को इसके साथ काम करने समझने की है ना दूर ना अच्छा कोई पोस्ट
You can see that all the music, everything remains same while the language is in Hindi, right? So once you have dubbed the video, let's say for example this one, so we can play this.
पूरे ने मेरा के लिए 400 दिन पहले यह शो
So we have dubbed this particular video in Hindi, and now what I can do is I can just download this file. So download, and firstly convert this into audio, right? We need MP3 format. So what I'll do is I'll just go to any MP4 to MP3 converter. So free convert, maybe select the file, convert this one. So MP3 convert. You can use any free conversion tool. So while this is happening, let me go to YouTube Studio. I'll have to search for this particular one, which is AI is not what you think. I'll go to this particular video, and I'm on languages, and I have to go to a particular language which I want to upload the audio for. So I go to Hindi, and here you can see audio. It says add. Click on add. If it is already auto dub, then you can delete it. Okay. If not, then you can select from here, select file, and I'm going to upload this MP3 file. Okay, and then click on publish. Okay, if you want, you can add the title and description as well. I'll click on update, right? So this will get processed in a while, so we can wait. You can see here processing, it says. Okay, so this will take a couple of minutes. I'll directly show you the video being played once this is done. Okay, so if we actually go to settings, and if we change the audio track to Hindi,
पूरे ने या के लिए 400 दिन पहले ये शो ट्रेंड से पीछे नहीं बल्कि AI को इसके साथ काम करने समझने
is the audio linked somewhere else? Yeah.
पूरे नहीं तो या तेरे 400 दिन पहले यह शुरू हुआ ट्रेंड्स के पीछे नहीं बल्कि AI को इसके साथ काम करके समझने के पहला दिन उतना अच्छा नहीं कोई कोड नहीं बस जिज्ञासा और हर बिना 100 दिन
So the same video, which was previously done in English, is now also available in Hindi, without we having to do anything. Just upload it on ElevenLabs, dub it, make it in any language that you want, and add it over here, right? Now, Google by themselves or YouTube does it for you. So for example, if I go to, let's say, German, right, I can play it.
Am nächsten Tag wandelte sich die KI von einem Tool zum System. Und das ist richtig. Du musst kein Techniker sein.
Okay, now everything remains the same. The voice might not be, the tone or accent need not be yours. But if you dub it using ElevenLabs, and especially if you have not checked that particular box, then it will sound like you. Okay, so this is the one which we did 4 minutes ago. So if I open it up, it will open a new project, right? And here is where I can play around with. So because there are a lot of things in this particular dubbing project on ElevenLabs, we're going to split this into two. So stay tuned. We'll continue in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.